In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on parental control on Google Play Store. So if you have Google Play Store on your phone or your child's phone, then you want to control your child's activities or the rate at which your child's download and install application from the Google Play Store on your Android phone, then you can easily set up parental controls to restrict them from using the Play Store unauthorized. Now, if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on parental control in Google Play Store, all you need to do is open the Play Store application on your Android phone, then click on the profile icon at the top right, scroll down and click on settings. Once you selected settings, click on family, so you have access to parental control and parental guide. Click on that, then scroll up like this and click on parental controls. There you go. Then locate parental controls are off and then turn this on. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to create a pin to control the parental control settings on your Android phone. Then go ahead and type in your pin. Click on OK. Then you need to confirm this pin again. Type the pin and then click on OK. So once you confirm the pin, you should see parental controls are on. Now set content restriction. Here you'll be able to set content restriction on the type of games and books that your child can download on the Play Store or your Android phone generally. That's apps and games. Click on this. And here allow up to, then how old is your child? So it's rated 16, rated for 18, rated for 12. So if your child is beneath 13 years of age, you want to choose rated for 12. So if he or she is beneath 7, choose rated for 7. And if you want to set for a child who is around 3 years or thereabout, then choose rated for 3. But for a grown-up child, choose rated for 18. So in this case, I'm going to choose rated for 12. Then hit the save button. Then there you go. You can see apps and games that are allowed to be downloaded and installed on this Android phone is rated for 12 plus. Then here, click on books, restrict sexually explicit books. Click on this and then understood. Then click on save. There you go. You can see we now have restriction on books, and then we have restrictions on apps and games under the parental controls in the Google Play Store. Then if you come back here and you try to refresh your Play Store application, you see that most of the applications available here are no longer rated 18, so they will be rated 13. So this is how you can easily set up parental control on Android phone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.